Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got something really interesting here with me. I have the Emerson Knives A-100 Mini E.K.O.G, which means Emerson Knife Owners Group, here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. Would you look at this puppy over here? This is an interesting one, guys. This is the Emerson Knives A-100 Mini, and it's a special version made for the Emerson Knife Owners Group. It's not a big knife. Overall length of this guy is going to be 7.2 inches with a blade length of 3 inches in length and a 4-inch long handle. Very, very interesting one. It's quite thick. It's a liner lock. These are Ricklite scales. It's not G10, it's not titanium, it's not wood, it's just Ricklite. We're gonna chat a little bit more about this material in the full length review. But here you see that this guy is sporting S35 VN steel for the blade, which has a quite interesting conventional V grind, but chisel edge. Look at that. Very, very interesting dual tone finish. You can see the grind, the belt grinds lines over here. Stone washed flats, nice swedge going on. Thumb disc, liner lock with the cutout. You've got the E.K.O.G logo marking on the tip-up carry only pocket clip, lanyard hole. I mean, it's an interesting one. And for what concerns the weight, yeah, this is pretty weight contained. It's not that heavy because look at that. This guy is weighing in at 3.43 ounces, so very, very well contained. The clip has some nice springiness to it. Of course, you can just deploy it like that with using the thumb disc. Of course, you can use 2 hands, but it's gonna be less fun. You've got some jimping going on, lanyard hole, 1 and 2 standoffs going on over here. It's I would say this guy runs now for like $350. There's a regular version in G10 and 154 cm steel, which is running for like around 190 bucks, and you can still find that. This is a little bit more collectible because of the materials employed, so it's a little bit more fancy than the regular version that you can find out. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.